Alright, it's Bleach PC here again, investigating this this belt. I'm not sure if I have it on right. I can't really tell. Maybe I'm just not very good at the stuff. That's how it's supposed to go on the machine. Now, that's the way I got it. Is this supposed to go up there and this belt is supposed to go there? If that is so, I got the wrong belt. But I'm gonna let you guys go. Just show you quick how the deck turned out. That's how the deck turned out. I'll let you guys go. Bye. Yeah, I know I said I wasn't gonna make any videos, but I just worried about this belt if I should get another one or something. I think it's obviously the wrong belt. I'll let you guys go. Bye. Hi guys, I'm sorry. I know I said I wasn't gonna make any more videos, but I'm kind of inspired to work on this thing. I don't know if you see one of the comments where I painted the deck and it was pink or whatever. One of the people from Simplicity contacted me, like the compete in a lawn striping contest or some sort. So I feel still inspired to work on this thing. If you can see if I got the belt on wrong, if you could tell me if it's too short, I'd be happy. I took the muffler off of it. I was wondering if this is what was making it rattle when I run it. And what's great, the weird thing about it is, I don't know, it's kind of a bad design. They mounted the muffler and they used the head bolts, and they got nuts on them, which is kind of strange. So I'm looking at some extra head bolts for the engine so I can get it back together. Right now I'm going to try and start this thing. It's kind of late, but oh well. We're going to see if it still rattles. Hold on, guys. Guys, that noise, my engine's got a knock, right? Crazy Wheel Horse's party told me. I've been lied to by my friends and telling me it's fine, so I don't know. I thought it was the muffler. I took that off there. I think my engine's got a knock. Or do you think it could be a carbon buildup on the head and the piston hitting it? I don't know. It didn't seem to knock as much until I put the belts on it. And I checked, there's nothing underneath. So I guess this is it, guys. I'm going to go in the house. It's about 8:45. I'll try to get this up to you. Yeah, I will rebuild the MTD carb. I really appreciate old Chevy 4x4 telling me about Murray Mayhem's video. It was great. So appreciate all you guys that watch me, comment on my videos, try to help me get my junk running. Honestly think this thing's knocking. It sounds like it's going to rattle apart. It seems like it's getting worse. This might be the first engine I rebuild if I can't narrow down the knocking to the anywhere else besides the engine. So take care, guys. I'll dump some sugar in the gas tank of this thing and it'll be fine, just like the song. Oh yeah, put sugar in the gas tank, guys.